Ça qu'a fait, là, voilà, c'est mon baby Layla. Come on, baby girl.
Hello.
Yay.
Wait,
It's just a
I'm
Christmas.
filming.
Yeah, it's Christmas Day today. Nous allons ouvrir cadeau.
You're making this short, I'm making the
Look at baby Gigi. She's drinking milk. Look at her.
Aji?
She don't play when it comes to food. So,
Yeah, she was being the way.
so now, nous allons ouvrir cadeau.
Are you done? Let's go.
Ooh, it's so cold. It's so cold. The kids.
Help me, please.
It's baby Gigi. Hey, Gigi. It's little. And c'est là tout gift yo et si moun yo pral a préparer yo là pour aller ouvrir cadeau yo. Oh, gars nou bel petit oreiller. Oh.
There's a present from his teacher.
Un cadeau fils Gigi à derrière.
Kiss this cat.
Et nous préparer là plus tard on a fait un bel petit dîner. Nous allons faire un petit dîner plus tard et nous allons tuer là. De moi était boire beaucoup ranger. Nous allons faire un petit dîner, un family dîner. Nous faisons ça chaque année. Nous allons préparer là, family dîner. Un gros bout de turkey qui a cuit.
Where's mommy? Boo!
Hey, that scared me.
Well, I think it just scared Aji. It's scared.
Okay, let's go. Let's go open. Oh,
Yeah, she's ready.
she's waiting. Oh, yes.
Youngest to oldest. So it's Aji first. Okay.
Everybody's here. Okay, Audrey, find your present.
Present. Find your present. No, that's my present. Where's your present?
Hold on. Let me have the iPad, Audrey.
My present.
Give me the iPad. Go look for your name.
But she was recording too.
Oh. Oh, that's for Audrey. Yes.
She was recording.
Oh, this is for Audrey. Open it.
Oh, this is
Put it down.
All
Yeah.
right, open it.
Yeah.
Open it.
Will I help your sister?
Open it. All right, let's open it, Audrey.
Okay. There we go.
Whoa.
What is that? What is that?
I thought you asked for a little piano already, but it looks
Oh.
like the teacher already got you a piano.
Piano.
Wow, you got a grand piano.
Oh my
Did
God.
Santa give you a piano? I'm gonna open this one.
The teacher gave her a piano.
Yeah,
Oh, this is-
piano.
Who's this one?
But
This
it
is
looks
for
like
you?
it's a piano
Yeah.
for a doll.
Oh,
I was able to read it.
okay. You wanna open it? Let me see.
It's a piano for a doll.
Oh, that's nice.
That's cute.
Oh,
Wait, where's the...
I think it's in the box.
Oh, the piano.
It's not come. Oh, probably trying to pull them, twist them. Oops. Uh-oh. What you got?
Mommy, did you get me this?
What does it say?
Oh, what is that?
Something cute.
There we go.
Wow.
Oh.
All right, where do I put my gift? I'm gonna put my gift.
Wow.
Okay.
Let's see who's this to. Mommy to Layla.
Uh-oh. Layla again. Let me see. Oh, that's it all paper. Oh. Oh, let me see. That's nice.
Nice stuff.
Yeah, look for your name. Oh, what's name? Oh. Qui nomme sur ça? Figue pour moi. Turn it
Mommy,
around.
I don't see a name on this.
There's a... I think...
Oh, this for Audrey. Oh, that's Audrey.
All right, Santa Claus. This is from Santa. Auntie.
That's for you, Audrey.
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
It's from Santa.
You wanna help her open it, Lulu? Oh, there we go. Oh my God, what is that?
A Minnie Mouse banana.
It's a cute.
Not a piano?
Oh.
She got two pianos. Why didn't you give her a piano?
Oh.
Well, this is a piano for the dog.
Yeah, that's for the doll.
Oh.
I think it's gonna match the doll with this.
Oh my goodness, that's
Wow.
I think this needs batteries.
Definitely.
Oh my gosh.
My turn.
What is that?
From Santa to Layla.
Again? Uh-oh. Come on. What is that? What's
My
that?
favorite.
Oh, MG.
My
No, camera.
favorite. Oh
Uh-oh.
my gosh. Open, please.
You need help?
Uh-oh. Audrey again? That's for Audrey again?
From. Okay, this is too ugly, but I don't care.
Ah, just
Oh,
open
this
it.
is bus driver.
Oh, the bus driver give it this too?
Yeah, they give it
Oh, Gigi, you got a blanket. Send the blanket.
It's almost like mine. Oh, this is another ugly present.
No way. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What is that? Oh, this is for you, Audrey. Oh, sweater.
Sweater.
Oh, go to mommy so you can put it in.
It's from mommy.
You want to put it on?
Go in, Lulu.
We'll put it later. Go up and more.
From mommy and daddy to Layla.
Uh-oh. Oh, ooh. Uh-oh.
A skirt.
Uh-oh, that's a nice little skirt. What?
Enough.
You're gonna look like Hillary Clinton in this.
Yeah.
That's presidential.
You like it?
Mm-mm.
Like it?
That's presidential. Ooh. You're welcome. Ooh. Bon, allez, ça, c'est mesdames qui champion.
After 5
Et Madame
minutes.
Maria là.
Name me.
Mm-hmm.
From mommy and daddy to Layla.
Layla again. Uh-oh. Oh. It's a big box.
This one is too late. I think that's big.
Uh-uh.
I think that's for me.
It's in the box.
That's a big box. Somebody help, please.
Well, that's yours.
Okay, we got the last one.
The last gift. Okay,
Ooh.
What gift is that?
It's for who?
From Layla to Adi.
Oh, Layla, you got that for all two. Oh, that's nice. Audrey, this is for
I'm
you.
about to have like
This is for you.
As up to my room.
Oh,
That dog can play his piano.
you say you wanna do what you did?
Yeah.
Audrey, this is your dog.
Wake up.
We
That's
hide
for
it quick.
that's for you.
She saw it.
Yeah,
Yeah, you thought you lost it?
that's for you, Gigi.
It's so beautiful.
So, c'est comme ça nous finit le vlog là. Nous avons un cadeau.
There's one more thing in that other thing.
Oh, nous avons l'autre encore?
Yeah.
So,
There's
Madame
one more
Marie
thing for you to do.
and Gigi and Layla. Come on, nous avons l'autre gift encore. Nous avons l'autre gift encore que nous allons découvrir là.
That tree we only put green and gold.
Oh,
This one.
Here's Adi's last gift. Let's unwrap it.
oh, this is for Audrey again. I'm Gade, not society.
It's related to Minnie Mouse.
I don't know, open it.
I was left.
Oh, this is for Audrey again. Oh, Audrey, this is for you.
Okay.
Oh, that's a lot of gifts.
I actually have some.
Oh.
I think any more
Alright, guys, c'est bon, ça va la fini. Nan madame, nous fait que vous content, nous achetez cadeau pour vous, ça qui est important. Depuis que nous happy, nous happy. Oh, je vais m'éclairer. Hey. Oui. Merry Christmas tout le monde. So, nous comptons aller déjà même. C'est famille qui a frappé là. Peace out. Merry Christmas. Hey, you guys happy?
Yeah. We're happy.
Yeah.
Agree.